Hey friend, in this video I'll show you how to make this cute penguin and mini habitat out of Lego bricks. If you've already made this penguin, let me know by hitting that go to thumbs up or comment done down below. First, we'll build the habitat. These are the pieces you will need. Let's get started. Okay, these are the pieces you'll need for your penguin. We'll have this habitat as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing more of these beginners tutorials. So if there's anything else you would like built, as long as it's beginner friendly, comment down below and I will do my best to get it done. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any build tutorials. Thanks for watching.